Hi, I'm Meg Arthur. Welcome to our May 2010 accounting update. We distribute these occasional videos to update you on what is happening with our accounting catalogue. The most important thing to tell you about is that the third edition of our practice sets is now available, and it brings you a host of improvements, almost all of which were requested by our users. So what is so great about the new editions? Some of the most important changes are around transparency. Practice sets now have their own instructor and student supplements. These guides highlight how each practice set operates, how the grading functionality works, and what students should expect when working through their practice set. If you review one of our titles, the Instructor Companion is a great place to start to get an overview of the content. We have consistently been asked to make the scoring of the practice sets clearer to students, and so a major highlight of Edition 3 is that students are now shown exactly how they are performing as they work through each step of the practice set. On every page, students are now shown their score to date, how many points they can receive from the page that they are on, and the total remaining points. Because most of our titles are scored out of over 1,000 points, this means that students can now get a much better understanding of their score at any stage of the practice set and make informed decisions about the errors they have made in the context of the total points that are available. When designing the practice sets, something we are very careful about is ensuring that we give students all of the information they need, presented in a way that they are likely to actually read it. It's always challenging to do this in a user-friendly way. Our authors, editors and instructional designers have re-examined every word of the practice sets to ensure they're easier for students to understand and cover many of the questions instructors had been previously receiving from students. The team has also written a new level of guidance into the practice sets to help students understand not only what has to be done, but also why it is important at that particular stage of the accounting cycle. Additionally, each title has its own list of academic changes that implement the key requests we have received from our adopters and reviewers. These changes are detailed in separate PDFs on our website for every single practice set title. You can find out more about the many other improvements made to our Edition 3 practice sets on our website. If you are interested in paper-based practice sets rather than the virtual tutor versions I've been discussing, of course, our Coffee and Cafe Supplier practice set is still available in its free version, and it has been completely refreshed for Edition 3 with new transactions, editorial updates and instructional improvements. If you're still using a paper-based practice set that your students have to pay for, please look at this title. It really is genuinely free and we would love to have you use it. Finally, a highlight that you have probably not previously heard about. Edition 3 of our practice sets can be seamlessly integrated with our new Accounting Cycle 360 textbook. By value packing the textbook, you will augment your Edition 3 practice set with a 500-page textbook that ensures consistent instruction for your students on the key features of the accounting cycle, with supplements that include slide packs, video, podcasts, pop quizzes, virtual tutor practice questions, and integrated anti-cheat homework activities. So that's a summary of what's new in our Edition 3 practice sets. You can find out more on our website. If you're in the US, we hope you have a fantastic summer vacation. For everyone else here in the Southern Hemisphere, of course winter is on its way, so it's time for us to start rugging up again. Please contact us with any comments, questions or suggestions. We'd love to hear from you.